Hey traders, welcome back to this new video. For the past few months, I've been trading with prop firms and it was a game changer because I was able to get over $50,000 in payout only trading with prop firms. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the best way to choose the best prop firm to trade with in 2025. So you can choose the prop firm based on your budget, based on the availability in your area, in case if you're in the US or in India where some prop firms are not available, and also based on some more needs or requirement that you may have. So in today's video, I'm going to explain exactly how to choose the best prop firm. But not only that, we have the sponsor of this video, Prop Firm Match and Funded Trading Plus. They are willing to give you guys 3 free accounts to 3 lucky winners. So make sure you stick till the end of this video to know exactly how to enter the giveaway and also to know how to choose the best prop firm to trade with to make money and get payout and then accomplish your trading dreams. So the best way to choose a prop firm is to go to Prop Firm Match. Is actually a website that allows you to compare prop firms and then choose prop firms based on reviews, based on discount, and based on a lot of things that you actually take into consideration before choosing a prop firm. So I'm currently on the Prop Firm Match website, and make sure you click the link below this video. It will allow you to sign up to Prop Firm Match. Make sure you create an account with the link below. It will also give you some extra discount and some free account later. So make sure you do that. Currently, I'm on the compare, right? I'm on the compare side, and then I can actually choose prop firms based on my own needs, and then I can also compare them. So here you can see that what plan do you want to compare. So you can choose a prop firm based on the asset that the prop firm provides. So in this case, there are Forex, indices, commodity. But for me, let's say I'm looking for Forex. So let me click on Forex, and then I can also choose based on the account size. So let's say I'm looking for 100K. You can also choose 500K if that's what you're looking for. And you can also choose the numbers or step. In this case, I'm gonna go for a 2-step evaluation. And the extra promo here, so basically Prop Firm Match provides some prop firm that allows you to get a free account if you reach a payout after passing a challenge. So if you buy an account, you pass phase 1, you pass phase 2, and you make money on the live account, and when you get the payout, they will give you another free account. So that's what Prop Firm Match provide as well, some prop firm that do that. And here is a discount. You can apply the discount or you cannot apply the discount to show down here. So after here, you can also choose the prop firm based on the option. So down here, when you click on the option, you can choose based on the platform. Like if you are looking for a prop firm that provides MT5, you click on MT5. If you are looking for a prop firm that provide maybe Match Trader or any platform that you are familiar to trade with, make sure you click there and they will just show you every prop firm that provides that. So in this case, I chose, let's say, MT5, and these are all the prop firms that gives MT5. If I choose something like Match Trader, then every single prop firm that provides Match Trader are down here. And you can also choose a prop firm based on the country. So if you are in the US or in India, where some prop firms are not allowed for you to trade, you can just click on the country you're looking for, and they will show you guys every prop firm that allows you to trade from those countries that are not available, right? And you can choose more things like copy trade. You can just play around with the settings as you want, and it will just show you guys every single prop firms that actually follows your requirement. And as they show you all of them here, you can choose or you can compare them. As you can see, we have Funded Trading Plus here, and then you have these other prop firms. So you can look at the price. You can see that Funded Trading Plus, the challenge fee is less expensive than this one. So you can compare them and then choose the right one for you. And when you want to, let's say, let's assume in this case you want to go for Funding Trading Plus, so you can just click on this thing here. But before you click there, you can see something called loyalty point. The loyalty point, I'm going to explain it later. So basically, when you buy an account through Prop Firm Match, you actually get what you call by loyalty point, and that allows you to get a free account, right? So if you accumulate that loyalty point enough, then it allows you to get a free account at some point. So in this case, if you buy a 100K 2-step with Funding Trading Plus, that costs you $400, and then you are going to get 700 loyalty point. So when you accumulate the loyalty point at some point, then you're gonna get a free account. So in this case, let's say that you want to get this one. So you just click on the basket for you to like try to purchase. So when I click here, you can see this is the discount code Match 120. It gives you 10% off and 120% refund, and also they have another discount code here. So basically, you can actually buy the account from the prop firms directly through Prop Firm Match by just clicking on the checkout here, right? But if you copy the link, that means that you can see the notice here, you can take your time and read. But that means that if you just buy through the propfirm match, you are gonna get the loyalty point. But if you don't buy through the propfirm match, maybe you can just send a proof to propfirm match that you actually bought using their discount code, and they are going to give you your loyalty point. So in this case, let me click on continue and process. You'll see it will now take me directly to the propfirm website, and then all I have to do is I click on continue, and then let me click on continue. So once it takes you to the checkout, you can see that the coupon code is applied here, March 20, and then you have a 50% discount on this account here. So that's how you can buy an account through propfirm match. And in case if the checkout doesn't work, you can just copy the code, and then you buy the account, and then you provide a proof to propfirm match that you actually bought the account, so you can get the loyalty point. Remember, loyalty point is really important. So apart from that, they also have the exclusive offer. The exclusive offer actually has a lot of good stuff, and it's basically the discount. So you can see this one, if you use this code, you're gonna get a 90% profit split on one-step evaluation. But if you use this code, you are going to get 5% off on all the challenge, and depends on the propfirm. This one gives you 20% discount, and then this one gives you 22% discount. So based on whatever propfirm you're going for, you can just use the discount code and then buy through propfirm match to get the loyalty point. When we come to best seller, are basically propfirms that traders are buying the most account from, right? And it's actually through propfirm match. So if you see E8 market is actually the first one, and you can just click on view best offers, and they will show you guys the best offers for the propfirm. So if you want to get funded with, you can go for. If you want to go for, let's say, funding pips, you can just click on best offer, and you can see there's 5% discount, but only on your first order. So if you don't have an account with funding pips and you create, you can use this discount code. It will give you 5% discount. When you come to review, are actually traders that are dropping their reviews about the propfirms they have trading with, and here you can see with the stars. And let's assume that we click on FTMO, and the reason why I'm saying the review here is way better than the one on Trustpilot is because here it allows traders to share a screenshot and also share these things. Now when you look at this guy here, he has gotten some payout. You can see he has gotten some payout, and then this is the review he has posted. And then you can see the trading condition, you can see the customer care, the dashboard, the payout process, and the overall. So it gives you more ideas on the propfirm. So if you are looking for a propfirm with a good trading condition, and then you can see here that if the trading condition is not the best, then you can just go and look for another propfirm where the trading condition is higher. So it allows you to choose the propfirm based on the review that people have given about, right? And then you can also post your own review, and you can also report a payout denial in case a propfirm denied your payout. For the favorite firm, these are propfirms that traders find it as their favorite, and is based on personal bias, right? So you can see the first one here is 5 errors, second one is FTMO, third one is funding pips, and then the fourth one is funding next. And you guys know I've been trading with funding next, funding pips, and FTMO, and no doubt you can see that they are actually one of the favorite on propfirm match as well. So propfirm match gives you like the best information about propfirms, and it gives you the best discount, and it allows you to accumulate the loyalty point. So after you create the account, when you come to the dashboard, you can see that this is the current loyalty point. When you create the account, you get 200, and then when you get up to 2,000 loyalty, you get a free $5,000 account, and if you get up to 4,000 loyalty point, you are getting a 10,000 free account. So you can see this is the advantage of you buying an account through propfirm match, because it allows you to accumulate those loyalty points, and at the point you can also use those to get a free account for yourself. And when you buy an account through propfirm match or using the discount code from propfirm match, you can just click on claim point here, and then you have to provide some of the information that you actually purchased the account, and they will give you your loyalty point, and allows you to get a free account later. So this is pretty much all about propfirm match, and it's actually one of the best. It allowed me myself to actually choose the propfirm I'm trading with currently, and it's actually the top of the website you can use to choose your propfirm. And yeah, if you guys want to enter the giveaway, make sure you click the link below this video. There's a link for the giveaway, so make sure you click, and make sure you do all the to-do lists on the website, and it will allow you to enter the giveaway. And probably the next video I'm gonna post is going to be announcing the giveaway, or you may just get an email. So that would be pretty much it. And if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you guys on the next one.